Good morning, guys. It is Thursday. Hey, I want to jump on here real quick. Currently in a live trade right now. This is kind of a reversal trade back to the 200 EMA or somewhere close to it. And this is the entry spot over here where I went in at, what is it looking at? A 78975. Here's the current P&L on the count this morning right now. And the reason why I did this, getting this buy signal coming back up out of this area. If you guys can spot something called like divergence on the bottom side here, there's so many ways to use these metrics, but take a look at this. You see how this is making a higher low when overall so money's increasing, but price is decreasing. It's only a matter of time until this actually will start reversing and start coming back up. And this is where you come to this area, you can kind of come test. This is where you can sometimes add to positions, and this is where this can run even further. So if you look left also, you could say, okay, well, where should I be taken out of position like this? We know the 200 EMA is a very respected EMA on the 1 minute time frame. Could we see a massive push and spike all the way up to the top here? Yes, that's very possible. Now, this trend line is also drawn too. So what I did is I ended up just taking this and plotting out exactly where this touched a couple times. Remember when we used to be in school where they said, how do you draw a straight line? You just need 2 points of intersection, and that's where you can draw it. Well, that is exactly what I did with this one. So actually, if I'm looking over here, if price action gets close to this area, so let's not get greedy, I'm going to go like that. If price action closes and gets close to that, I'm just going to get out of this trade, and I'll show you guys that over here to the right-hand side. But this is where you can see this as this is your buying zone accumulation stage when you increase volume and you also increase money. Money's more important to me than actually RSI or anything else. This is showing the push. This is where we got the buy signal, and now we're getting an increase to the upside here. So just a really good inverse trade here that I want to show you guys. Now here we go. Let's take a look. Getting really close to this. Not going to get too crazy on you guys over here. This will be a great way to close out this Thursday. You know what would be amazing is to see if we can get close to, $400 to $500 on this trade. Again, don't want to get too greedy on it. Let's take a look at some other trades that happened this morning. What's really nice right now, guys, is there's actually a live training session going on with Ron every Tuesday and Thursday from 7 to 9:30. You can actually follow along with every single one of these signals and the technical analysis being provided with it, which is just absolutely incredible. So if you guys are interested in that, I'll show you in a second where to grab that, but I want to actually just close out this trade here first, hopefully in a moment, hopefully in profit as well. To show you guys this. But if you guys take a look at some of these other signals on here, big rule of mine is, if you're new to this, try to just go for 10 points at a time. Here's a winning trade right here. This ended up getting a buy signal that was 15, 20 points. This is 6 points. If you're playing the profit wave, you're looking more closer to probably like 73 points. This one over here is actually ended up running 27, so that's a winning trade. So you guys know so far this morning, if we even take this back to 645, 10 points, that's a winning trade. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're 6 for 6 winning trades this morning already. And what does that actually equate to? Well, 6 trades is really good because if you're going with 5 micros, like I like to trade over here on the pro accounts, and you're going 10 points, that's $100. Where that's 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, $600. Well, what's $600 times 5? Because you can have 5 pro accounts. That's $3,000, you guys. Are you really going to be upset with $3,000 in a day trading just with this, going for 6 for 6 trades? Absolutely incredible. So this is where I want you guys to fall in love with small and then have a big attracted to it later on, because you can make this a reality to make some good money. Because I'm going to go ahead and close this out. $500+. I am not upset with that for a day. I'm going to close it out right now. Perfect. About $520 or so on that trade, entry and exit. Let's go ahead and do this for you. Let's go ahead and see how much was this. That's about a 50+ point move in profit just this morning on that one trade. So I am done for the day, completely done. Let's go ahead and go over to here real quick. Let's go ahead and go to today so you guys can see this. I'll just do this real quickly. Oh, let's see if this will do yesterday maybe. So that was yesterday's trade. Let's go to today real quick. Oh, doesn't want to show today. Let's go this week. Actually, this will be a little better. 275. It's still not showing it for some reason. Maybe I'll have to update this in a second here. I'll go and actually refresh the screen over here to see if we can get that. Sorry about that, you guys, but end up seeing the profit over to the top right over there. I'll show you guys here real quick, while this is kind of just loading up over here. If you guys want to join in with this, you can actually grab all these metrics, lifetime metrics, never pay monthly service fees, always get free upgrades when I do upgrades. We're on version 5 right now that I've created. If I create 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, you're never gonna have to pay for it. Big shout out and big news. Tomorrow is the first 550K Take Profit Elite member call that I'm going to be doing every first and third Friday of the month, which is absolutely exciting, completely free. These people deserve to get on calls for free. You can sign up and do one-on-one trainings with me. You get 50% off. But if you guys want free one-on-one training with me, literally a couple times a month, what you want to do is go over to Take Profit Trader. And in the promo area, you just want to type in My Future Success. That's actually going to register you through Take Profit. And then when you have your 550K accounts, go ahead and just shoot me a screenshot like this in your pro status, either showing pending or active, and that'll get you guys on it right away. I'll add you to the email. So that is exactly how to do it. If you guys are one of those people that's like, hey, Justin, I want to see this in live action. This is really cool watching your YouTube videos. You're showing profit. You're showing your accounts. I want to do this live. Well, Ron will actually do this live every Tuesday and Thursday. And you can see some of the member profits that have come through here. So you guys, I know the market has been on a big downturn. And if you're someone who's a little bit older, because I work with people from 18 and like 90 years old. And if you're seeing your retirement accounts kind of go down a bit this last, let's say, couple weeks, month or so, don't be afraid. The thing with trading like this in this style of how we do this is, it doesn't matter the market fluctuation. I have a lot of people that know that I run and own this business, and they're like, Justin, what do you think of the market? What do you think of the market? And I tell them, honestly, guys, it doesn't matter. We can make money when the market's going down. We can make money when the market's going up. That is the thing. On the 1 minute time frame here, there's so many opportunities. So if I hear someone that's like, hey, I lost thousands of dollars in my retirement because I lost a few percentage. Well, you can make thousands of dollars back in a day by just trading a little bit of time. So this is where this is so important and so awesome to see the opportunities, that are going on. I don't know if this is going to actually pull it up over here. You guys can actually see the new balance, $2,748. I'll try to pull this up again just real quick. I'm not sure if you can see over here to the left, $522 is the total for today. I'll try to do this just for transparency so you guys can see this. If for some reason it doesn't want to just go through, that is okay. I'm not going to stress it anymore. You guys know it's honestly 100% of the way here on this channel. So hope you guys have a great rest of your Thursday. If you have any questions, comments, anything, please let me know. And I am always here for you guys. So looks like so far 6 for 6. Well, I guess you could count 7, 8 winning trades, but we're going back from here. 10 points, taking it out here on the 1 minute time frame. Looks like 6 for 6 winning trades so far this morning, and able to capitalize on that 52 point move to the upside here. All right, guys, have a great one. Take care.